Hey guys, it's JK.
JK.
It is so great to be back. Thank you. So, I have big news. Today I am starting a series called Escape Artist. And so basically, I'm going to be, I'm going to find different things to be trapped in or like wrapped up in. I don't know yet. But I'm going to have these different things and I'm going to escape from them. So it's going to be crazy. Today we are going to be using zip ties. So delicious black coffee. I hope that you enjoy the video. So I hope this goes well. Comment down below on what you think I should do next for a playlist, what video you think I should do next. I don't know. So yeah, this is the beginning episode of the series. I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we are on to the first way to break out of zip ties. So I have my helper, Logan, here, and he's going to be applying my zip ties. So, Logan. So, the thing about this one is when you're basically going to act like you've given up all hope. You are going to give them your hands. You're not going to go like this or like this. And so when you go like this, you can slip out. There's less room, space taken up, so this takes up space, and then there's extra room to pull your hands out. So my capturer is going to put them on. Here, do it so the camera can see. Alright, tighten it as hard as you can. Oh, that's tight. Okay, so as you can see, I'm all zip tied up. And yes, I have 2 zip ties. That's because we don't have zip ties that are long enough. So as you can see, these are very tight, but I'm just able to slip them like this. And then with a little bit of force, I'm able to get my hands out. And this is what I like to call the Houdini trick. So let me go get some more. All right, I have my next zip ties. So Logan, will you apply them as tight as you can? Okay, that's good. So there we go. See? So if the person that captured you was a complete rookie at capturing, he would have gotten these zip ties, and you can see that, I don't know, these zip ties, you can see that little button there, like right here, the one that my finger's on, and when you push that button down, it just releases the zip ties. So this is one of the 3 ways. You just push the button down, you find a way to press it while your person's out of the room. I have to rearrange my hands. So this may take a little bit to rearrange your hands. I'm trying to slide it over here. Of course, I can't quite move it. It's very hard to move this thing because you're not using your hands. Looks like I'm gonna have to do it with this pinky over here, this one. Oh, there we go, I got some of it. There we go. Come on. There we go. Now let me tell you, that hurts a lot, but you're gonna be in for more pain if you aren't able to escape. So there you have it. It does take a while. As you can see, it took about 3 minutes. But that is a way you can get out of your cuffs. Now, this is probably the easiest way that you can get out of, I said cuffs earlier, your zip ties. So, I will ask for Logan to put them on again, and this time, you're going to want them as tight as you can.
As tight as these can be.
Yeah.
And I feel like these should be like this. Looks good.
Do it even tighter. Can you not do it anymore? Okay. So these are on as tight as they can be. So now, what you want to do is, this is how you're going to break them. You are actually able to very easily break out of zip ties. So what you do is you raise them above your head and you slam them down towards your stomach. So, see if I can do it. That was awesome. So there we have it. I broke out of the zip tie. Completely snapped the head. So there we have it. There are 3 ways to break out of zip ties. So there we have it. Thank you for joining me for the first episode of Escape Artist. If you want to subscribe, click right in the middle here. If you want to see my last video, click right here. And to see the latest video, right here. Signing off for now, Jade Kid Salute.